Hi, Jack at Jack's Midnight While You Wait Guitar Repair here. Today, I want to show you the repair work that can be done while your customers wait. No more telling them it'll be 2 weeks, 3 weeks for this stuff. Nope, you can get them in and get them right out the door, sometimes within minutes. They don't even have to wait. They're going to love you for it. Now, there are a few basic things I want to cover. First of all, you always want to have a pad on your workbench, and when you're handling somebody else's guitar, you want to be really careful not to bang them around and stuff. But anyway, let's get right down to business with some of the most common repairs that come in that you have to deal with. First of all, bridge lifting. Now, there's nothing worse than a bridge that's lifting off of a guitar. And I know you got to take it off, you got to make calls to go in there. Who wants to do it? You don't need to. Look at this, folks. You just quarter-inch drill. Just drill right through there, a couple of quarter 20 bolts and some wing nuts, and you got it repaired. It's that simple. And, if intonation is a problem, take the bridge off, make the holes bigger, move it around, put the nuts back down. You need to cover the holes, just bigger washers. That's all you need. See how simple that is? And you can have that right back out the door for your customer in a big hurry. Now, another common repair that comes along, guy comes in, somebody comes, the back is cracking off or the top is pulling away. It happens sometimes. Go figure. What do you do about it? No more 2 weeks, no more finish repairs, nothing. Here you go. Here's the solution. Duct tape. Why duct tape? I know you're asking, what are you doing? Why duct tape? Well, two reasons. First of all, duct tape is the only thing that usually works mostly. And it looks like binding. Even if the crack is this small right here, that's okay. Go around the guitar with it. Look at that great look. You can't beat that. Now, there are several common repairs that I've done on this guitar. Had a little problem with the neck pulling forward on this one, but nothing too severe. A little bit of problem right back here in the heel. So, hey, what do? You just take a cable staple and drive it right in there. It'll pull that neck down, gonna hold it nice and secure. Customer won't care a bit. What do they know? Okay, see, it's really, really easy. Guitar repairs made simple and quick. Whoops. Okay, now, here's one. Needed a neck reset. Why bother with all of the steaming and all of the refitting and all that stuff? Once again, quarter 20 bolts are our friend, folks. Just drill right down through there, put a bolt and a wing nut in it. That neck is on there solid. It's going to go absolutely nowhere, right? It's really on there good. Okay, what about those cracks in the necks? The crack in the headpiece. It's a Gibson thing, right? From the 50s and 60s. We know that. But I got a quick repair. You don't need all of this glue and, routing in splines and all that. Look at this. Here you go. You take a piece of aluminum, you kind of form it to that, and you got a problem. You got one with the, that nice little arrow point thing on there, like the old Martin D28 or something. Cut it off. You don't need it in the first place, right? Just glue that right on there or stick it on. Sheet metal screws. There you go. As long as they don't come through the headpiece, who cares? This is great. And don't worry, if your fingers touch that when you form those first position chords, file the corners off. The rest of it, get over it. It'll be okay. You'll be all right. Here's another problem. Look at this. Severe top cracks. Oh, come on. This is really, it's so easy to fix. You drill a couple of holes in there, cable ties, as many as you need. Fix it right up, and you can have it done in minutes. You just clip off the excess right here, no problem. Let me grab a pair of pliers to show you how easy this is, right? You just cut that off. Hell, that barely even shows, right? It's beautiful. Now, here's another problem that occurs quite frequently. Sometimes, that fingerboard wants to splay up a little bit when you put a neck back down. It can be a problem. Well, no problem. Here's a permanent fix for you right here. Now, always pre-drill a hole because we don't want to do second-rate work. Always pre-drill a hole. But you pre-drill a hole, right? And you just jam a roofing nail in there, right? Looks like a dot inlay anyway. Polish it off, you're good to go. Just that simple. See, this stuff, it's not that tough to do. Going to show you one more repair. Now, this customer came in with a bridge cracked right here. It's a mess. Yeah, you could take it off, but why bother when you don't need to? All you do is you just grab the old stapler right here and you give it the old... All right, right across the crack and you're done. That fix is permanent, mister. That's never coming apart. And if you think it might, okay, then reach in there with a pair of pliers and bend those staples back so that they cannot come out. Okay, so here are the things that you can do. And this is what we do here at Jack's While You Wait Midnight Guitar Repair. Don't be afraid to bring your guitars in here. And one other thing I just want to mention, look at this headpiece and the way these strings are. Let's bring back the old tradition of having those strings sticking out there, right? Let's bring back that Richie Havens tradition with that stuff. It looks great, doesn't it? Don't worry about clipping them off. Just let them stick out there. So anyway, folks, bring your guitars in. They're going to be fixed and they're going to be made to work just right for you. Just bring them in anytime. Thanks a lot, and thanks for watching this video advertising Jack's Midnight While You Wait Guitar Repair.